करियर के साथ साथ मैं कहूँगी एक सेलिब्रिटी शेफ का करियर भी अपनाया है और उसमें वो उम्दा कर रही हैं. प्लीज़ वेलकम अमृता रायचंद ऑन दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन ऑन किसी ने बताया नहीं. Thank you for doing this. Thank you for taking out time. I am extremely humbled.
Thank you so much, Rubina, for that beautiful, beautiful introduction. मैं तो ऐसे देख रही थी while you were talking. You yourself are so cute and beautiful.
Thank you.
And just your words were very touching.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me here.
I mean every single word. Of course हम पहले मिले नहीं हैं. आज इस conversation के माध्यम से मैं आपके बारे में जानूंगी. And how have you been an inspiration that I have tracked on social media. I'll be very honest because guest बुलाने से पहले हम अपनी छोटी R&D करते हैं और मैं अपनी टीम के साथ बहुत excited थी कि I want this inspiration here on this couch so that we can know more about you. तो शुरुआत करते हैं. Let us know थोड़ा सा about you.
थोड़ा सा तो नहीं हो पाएगा.
बहुत I know.
कहाँ से शुरू करूँ? I think माँ बनने से ही शुरू करती हूँ because आपकी your beautiful show is all about parenthood. Hopefully very soon you will see a very interesting podcast on my YouTube channel as well on parenthood, because I think parenting is so comprehensive, it's so vast कि जितना लोग इसके बारे बात करें उतना अच्छा है. बिकॉज इट्स पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि उसे आप सिर्फ एक कॉन्वर्सेशन में निकाल सकते हो. और हर इंसान की इतनी अलग अलग स्टोरीज होती हैं, इतनी इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरीज होती हैं दैट यू देयर इज सो मच टू लर्न फ्रॉम पीपल अबाउट पेरेंटिंग. एंड आई थिंक इमोशनल लेवल पे पेरेंटिंग को काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंस मिलती है. आई डोंट थिंक पीपल गिव इट दैट इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट इट्स ऑल्सो अ स्ट्रगल.
Absolutely.
In many ways.
Absolutely.
And to overcome that struggle is a journey which is very different from each, from one individual to the other. And that's how my journey started. मैं actually mentally parent 19 साल के ही उम्र में बन गई थी.
Really?
Maybe even earlier. मैं हमेशा से ही माँ बनना चाहती थी. I think जब से मुझ में maturity आई मैं माँ बनना चाहती थी.
Beautiful.
That was something. I mean even जो मेरे छोटे छोटे nephews होते थे उनको नहलाना धुलाना सब. I was the unpaid nanny for everyone. खाना खिलाना. I used to love feeding children. मेरे को कोई बच्चा आज भी दे दो, कोई भी फंसी बच्चा दे दो, मैं उसको रख लूंगी, उसको संभाल लूंगी. I don't know what touch I have, but I love children.
Wow.
मैं दीवानी हूँ बच्चों की. And I think that was what made me play the role of a mother when I was 19 years old. तो मेरी जो full career की शुरुआत भी हुई मॉडलिंग. I think 1-2 ads मैंने as a young girl किया. I come from a very conservative family. 2 बड़े भाई, father passed away when I was very young. तो वो भी at the back of the head था. और फिर मुझे एक ऑफर आया माँ के रोल का. मैंने कहा चलो यार यही कर लेती हूँ, एटलीस्ट एक्टिंग तो करने को मिलेगी. एंड once you become a mother, Bollywood तो is out of the question.
Yeah.
So it kind of worked in my favor. And वहाँ भी जब मैं बच्चों के साथ छोटे छोटे बच्चे आते थे और माँ बोलती थी मेरा बच्चा ऐसे करेगा, मेरा बच्चा आप नहीं हैंडल कर पाओगे, तो मैं उनको सिर्फ रिक्वेस्ट करती थी ऐसे आप थोड़ी देर बाहर चले जाओ, लीव योर चाइल्ड विद मी. अगर आधे घंटे के बाद आपको लगा कि आपका बच्चा रो रहा है या कुछ भी, आप यहाँ पे एक अपना कोई स्पाई छोड़ जाओ, आप मत रहो. कुछ भी आपको प्रॉब्लम, यू कम बैक. A woman went off shopping after that.
Really?
The child never cried. So, it was like that. I was so comfortable, and I think that's why my initial modeling career for almost forever, I think I was a mom. And then Whirlpool happened, and then I was known as the quintessential Whirlpool mom.
Yes.
I was their brand ambassador for 6 years.
Yes.
I think there is not a single product that I haven't endorsed as a mother.
Yeah.
And that was a really fun phase. And then acting happened. After I got married, I married a guy who was super confident. Very conservative family again. Rajput, Punjabi, Brahmin mix. But very, very cultured, very, very advanced. And कोई रोक टोक नहीं. मैं हस्बैंड से जो करना करो. मैंने कभी लाइफ में हॉल्टर टॉप नहीं पहना था. बट शादी के बाद तो I could wear whatever I wanted to. And then when I got a couple of movie offers, Reddy में मैंने काम किया सलमान खान के साथ. फिर सुभाष जी के साथ मैंने एक न्यू बागी आई थी, उसमें थी मैं. अली फजल के साथ I did a movie, बात बन गई, गुलशन ग्रोवर के साथ. Madhur Bhandarkar ke saath, I was in that movie Heroine, which was with Aishwarya Rai initially.
Correct.
And then she got pregnant, and then the whole story changed. So that was another story. So I dabbled a little bit in acting. फिर 1-2 मैंने TV shows किए, daily soaps किया.
I have followed them.
You have seen that, yeah.
Yes.
And yeah, it just organically करती गई. But the moment my son was born, my first reaction was that I don't want to work. The moment I conceived, I think मैं काम कर रही थी till about a month or two after I conceived. And I remember it was a studio like this, and I was hosting a show. And I think I was getting nauseous. I finished that day's shoot, and then I told the producers that I won't be continuing. If it's okay. मतलब मैंने किसी को बीच में नहीं छोड़ा. And then I took that decision even before I told my family. I told my husband, I don't want to work. I just want to be at home. I don't want to be throwing up and doing things and worrying. मैं गाड़ी में bump है, मैं driver को बोलती थी धीरे चलो. I was so paranoid. And then when Agastya happened, I was over the moon and I was only with him. And then saal bhar ke baad, I started getting back into my whole, losing weight, getting back to work, there's that. एक आध show मैंने किया, उसके बाद Mahi Way, which was very well received. And then Mummy Ka Magic happened. So another thing you need to know about me is that I have been cooking since I was 8 years old. And my mum I'm saying was, she's very much around, but she is unwell now, so she doesn't cook. But मेरी माँ इतनी बढ़िया cook थी. उन दिनों में, she had done gourmet courses in Jamshedpur. मैं Jamshedpur की हूँ. My father was with Tatas. And my father was very progressive those days, but he liked his food very well plated. Carrots कटे हैं, आलू कटे हैं, तो एकदम correct uniformly होने चाहिए. तो उन्होंने उन्हें एक finishing school में भेजा.
Wow.
जहाँ उन्हें gourmet cooking सिखाई गई, from the most amazing Western dishes like shepherd's pie and all she could make to the most delicious cakes. Indian cooking की तो वो master थी. जब से मैं 8 साल की थी, मम्मी मुझे बस स्टूल में बैठा के ना सिखाती रहती थी. जब वो cooking करती थी तो मैं सीखती रहती थी. And it was in my blood. फिर मैं सनार गई into boarding school. There I was my home science teacher's pet. Home science was my subject. वहाँ I got the proficiency award in home science, and I started the cafeteria in my school. Lawrence School Sanaa is in Himachal Pradesh. It's a boarding school. Achha,
I'm from Himachal. I'm from Shimla. So yeah. So now was something we used to jump for debates and national declamations and everything.
Yes.
I'm pretty familiar, and it is so good to know the world is so small that we are sharing and exchanging this information here for the first time.
Amazing,
I'm glad.
isn't it? Amazing. क्या पता कोई point पे शायद कहीं ना कहीं
और connections मिल जाएंगे. I am sure. I'm looking forward for this.
Yeah, so अभी भी आप cafeteria जाओगे तो you'll see this amazing cafeteria जिसकी menu मैंने design की थी, सारी cooking मैं करती थी. Back in school. Everybody would talk about my cooking. जिसका भी birthday होता था मैं ही cake लेके जाती थी. But like I said, कभी दिमाग में ही नहीं आया till Agastya was born. And when I started weaning him, I started experimenting with food.
Okay,
उसको अलग-अलग चीज़ें खिलाना, क्योंकि मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे इतना बढ़िया खाना खिलाया था. तो एक दिन क्या हुआ, उसको मैंने कुछ तो खिचड़ी खिलाई और मेरे पीडियाट्रिशियन ने बोला कोई सॉल्ट नहीं, कुछ नहीं, ये नहीं, वो नहीं.
No sugar, no salt.
अब मैंने उसे खिलाया, उसने मेरे मुंह पे मार के दिया. I was like, no way, my son is not going to spit the food out that I feed him. I tasted it. I said,